You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting dish name from Italian. This is the translation of a dessert name from French, meaning 1000 leaves. In Italian, if you want to learn how it's said in French, make sure to stay tuned, because I've got a video for you. Italian, mille, mille. A double L makes the L longer, so stress on that L. It means 1000, mille. Foglie, foglie is how you say. Foglie is Italian for leaf, or leaves, I should say, that's plural. Millefoglie. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.